Welcome back everybody to another video, and to tell the iPhone SE 2, and we'll be talking about some new leaks and details and everything you need to be knowing about the smartphone. Now the iPhone SE 2 will be an affordable budget iPhone, and it's having a starting price of around $450. Compare that to the iPhone 8 starting price of $699 and the iPhone 10 starting price of $999. So having a smartphone with a price tag of less than $500 is pretty appealing to some people, especially if you want a smaller screen. Now the specs is very interesting. Now Apple's iPhone 10 is the top of the line iPhone, and with its newest features like the 3D facial recognition and also its nice notch display, the SE 2 is more of a more basic smartphone. Now the SE 2 is also heavily rumored to be looking like an iPhone 5. The display will be slightly bigger than the SE 1, and it probably will be having the Apple's A10 Fusion chip. And also the SE 2 may be having more gigabytes of RAM and also many different types of storage options as well. Another thing is the SE 2 may be having a glass pack like the new iPhones, and having a glass back will give it a higher chance of wireless charging. Another thing is the overall camera. The SE 2 may be having some pretty impressive cameras, but it might maybe just be having a one single lens camera, which is a 12 megapixel rear end camera. Now the Touch ID is another thing. We may be seeing the SE 2 having a Touch ID on the very front, very similar to the one in the iPhone 8. And lastly, the release date. We may be seeing the iPhone SE 2 releasing sometime this summer, this fall, or next year 2019. Now one of the biggest reasons why is the SE series hasn't even gotten a single update yet for quite some time, and everyone's kind of getting restless about the SE1, and everyone really wants to be having a smaller smartphone if they really don't want to be spending that money. And some people just don't like bigger smartphones, and having something like the SE2 will be very appealing. Thanks for watching. Comments below. How do you feel about a smartphone?